Alright guys, I thought I would show this trade. It'll be my final trade of the day. Took this long here, locking in 10 points. Target is this strong level here, but I don't care. I'll just lock in my 10 points and be happy. It's my third 10-pointer today. I'll show you what I did today. I actually took this short here, did well. And then I took a short right here. Took a little heat, came back to profit, took a little heat, and then vomit. I did that because the indices were weak. Two of them, righty was weak, and then Dow was weak. And I went, it's very hard for the market to keep going up when two of the four indices are weak. So I held on. I don't normally do that. I usually take the gift of break even. It's just, I saw the weakness and I'm like, you know what? Let's just do it. Let's keep there. So I did well. I did a 10-pointer there. Right here would have been 20 because I went short at 91, but I didn't actually get the 20. I got a 10-pointer and a 14-pointer because I had a couple contracts. And did that get me out? Almost. Price is coming back, and that's fine. I'm just going to lock in my 10-pointer. It's something we like to celebrate in our group, 10 points and up. And so this would have given me two 10-pointers short, and this is a 10-pointer long. So I'm excited about that. That is a good day. We saw it very, very well. This is the note I made to my traders here. No shorts above here. Just stay out of the way. If I was playing a little more chess, I would keep my stop back, but I'm going to lock in 10 points and be a happy boy. Final trade. 45 minutes left in the day. No sense in pushing the luck. So you take the 10-pointer and you are done. I hope you stayed safe today. I'll see you in the morning.
Stay green, my friends. And to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.